So very often when we speak to retailers, we hear a common theme across a lot of our sessions, and that's this idea of them wanting this single version of the truth. And many different departments and many different business areas want a different version of this truth, if you will. So the supply chain guys will want a different version, and the customer support team will want a different single version of the truth, and the marketing team and the retail teams and the buying and merchandising teams all want this single version of the truth, but they need and want different flavours of this. And also the MDs and the FDs and the CEOs want a kind of higher level of this, so they want this macro view of all of the information, the interconnected information, into a single business-wide version of the truth. And one of the most important aspects of this is the consumer piece, so this single version of the truth of our customer base, where they're buying, what they're buying, through which channels they're buying, what promotions they're receiving, what prices they're receiving. All of this is really important across a number of these different business units, these different departments. And very often they're looking for the single version of the truth information to make better decisions about their business, so they can better inform their teams. But not often do we hear people thinking about the consumer experience and how they might leverage that single version of the truth directly with the consumer. And no better place is this more apparent than in stores. So very often now the consumer is walking into a store armed with their mobile phone, and they have more information than the team members. They have more information about pricing, promotions they've received, competitor pricing, product information, where additional inventory might be. They've got all of this in the power of their hand, in their mobile phone, and team members don't often have this. So one way we're talking to retailers now about the single version of the truth is kind of feeding this information back out to better empower our retail team, our store staff, give them the tools in store to help them make these better decisions and improve the consumer experience throughout their journey.